Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how you can purchase stocks using your NCB Online account. So stick around until the end, let me show you step by step. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that thumbs up button. The first thing you're going to do is log on to goipo.jncb.com. This is where you'll open your account. This is also the platform where you can apply for initial public offerings, additional public offerings, and also preference shares when they are being offered to the market. Now, before you get started, here are a few things that you need: a government issued photo ID, your proof of income, and you're also going to need a proof of address. So, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So use your mobile phone or a PC, log on to goipo.jncb.com, and when you get there, click Create Investment Account. Step 1. Log in using your NCB Online credentials. The system will require some basic tax information. Step 2. Update your personal information. Given that you already have NCB Online access, a lot of information will be already pre-populated for you. Now this is where you upload your government issued ID. At each step of the way, you'll be guided by a percentage indicator. This will let you know how far you are along in the process. If your previous address is the same as the home address, then go ahead and click Same as Current. Next, upload your proof of address. This can be a utility bill, bank statement, or recent mails sent to the address within the last 3 months. If you're unemployed, you can download and fill the self-employment or unemployment verification document and then re-upload it. If you have no previous employment, click the I have no previous employment status. Upload your proof of income document. This can be your last payslip. Upload a self-employed or unemployment form provided. In order to determine what type of investor you are, the system will ask you a few questions to determine your risk tolerance. Select your account management authority preference. Read the terms of agreement, then click Agree to proceed. Review all your information to ensure all the details are accurate. Now you're all set. Now an email will be sent to you containing your account number and JCSD number. So for the next step, you might need to wait 3 to 5 business days before your account is linked to NCB Online. And don't be afraid to call NCB Capital Markets if it is not linked within that time frame. For this step, you're going to log on to www.jncb.com. Sign in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, expand the investment account section. You'll see your account number. Select your account number and it should take you to NCB Capital Markets where you can buy and sell stocks. Now the first thing you'd want to do is transfer money from your NCB Online account to your NCB Capital Markets account. You can hit the transfer tab and select new transfer. Here you're going to select NCBJ to NCBCM, and then you're going to select the accounts which you want to do the transfers with. Now once you have funded your account, let's go through the steps of placing an order. So hit the place order menu and from the drop down select place order. So the stock market is currently closed for submitting orders, so it won't be processed until the next business day. So you want to select the product type, which is stocks, and then you're also going to select the order type, which is buy. So if you want to sell a stock, it would be pretty much the opposite. You just hit the sell button, select your account, then you're going to search for the stock you want to buy. So the minimum amount of money you can actually invest is dependent on the stock price plus the fees. So if a stock is say less than $1, you can literally start investing with less than $1, but I don't think nobody's going to really do that, but I'm just saying it can be done. So let's see how we can invest our first 500 Jamaican dollars. And I'm just going to do the demonstration using a single stock. So I'm gonna pick a stock at random. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and any stocks you see me talk about is just for educational purposes. If you consider owning that stock, please do your own due diligence, do your research on the stock before making an investment. So I'm going to select JMMB at random. As you can see, there are some preference shares, but we want the JMMB Group Limited, this one. Here you can see the order queue. This is where buyers and sellers are. So here is the number of buyers, what price they are looking to buy JMMB at, and here when you click sell orders, these are the price which sellers are willing to sell their stock. So this person is willing to sell 2,389 shares of his stock at the price of $38 per share. Now this buyer is willing to buy 10,000 units of JMMB at $37.75. So hit next. Select your transaction method, so you can go the number of shares or dollar value. As previously stated, we're going to be investing $500, so I'm just going to put the amount. And that would give me approximately 13 shares. So if I go market price, it would give me the 38 which the person is currently selling. Now if I want it a little bit cheaper, then I go market limit and then I put the price where I want to buy it at. Let's say $37 per share. Now I will only get that stock if a seller is willing to sell me at $37 per share. Now you're going to hit your funding account, and this will show all your NCB accounts which you have. So I'm going to select the equity account. As you can see, you have an option for a single and recurring, so it's just a single order. And if you want, you can also set a date when the order is expired. So hit next. This is a summary of the transaction. As you can see, the total came up to $486.97, including the fees. Now you're gonna hit place order. We are all done. You can also link your account to the JTrader platform, and if you want to see how that is done, you can watch my video on how to buy stocks in Jamaica. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and also share it to one friend so you can add value to them as well.